boom, boom, boom. Bang, 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 bang. Boom, 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 boom. How, 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 how. Hey, hey. You gotta come on.
Good morning, YouTubers. All right, it's that time of the year again. We're at the American Heritage Museum. See that in the back? American Farm Heritage Museum in Greenville, Illinois. And it's time for this annual year's train show. And this is a well-known attraction. It's a farm museum. Spreads all over the place. And as you can see behind me, is a train track. Oh, let's get Dirk's trains in there too. Hey, look at that. All right, so we're at the farm museum, and that this train track right here, well, you get a mile ride train ride. It's a I don't know what that is, 7.5 maybe, I don't know, but it's a gauge train, and you get to ride on it, and they take you around the entire farm, and you get to see everything that is here. So we're going to go over and pull up to the building, and we're going to get to the train show. And here we are, and this is segment 4, Let's Learn Things, and we're learning about the Greenville train show. And we are here today. Everything is now set up, and I'll take a quick view. You can see what's going on, and we're ready for the day. To warn you that I'm here by myself today again, so I will try to shoot as much as I can, but when you're here by yourself. So, all right, we'll see what happens today. So we're at the Greenville train show in Greenville, Illinois at the American Farm Tractor Museum, and as I said, I am by myself, so this is going to be kind of a rough cut interview here. But I'm going to introduce you to somebody here. Why don't you go ahead and introduce yourself? Looks like it's Doug.
Hello, my name is Doug Forbes. I'm a science teacher in Vandalia, and I'm an Illinois terminal, Illinois traction modeler.
And what he has actually brought here is, and we're just going to pan right down here and show you this. This is some 3D stuff that is unbelievable. But what I want you to notice is what it looks like coming out of a 3D printer, and who painted all this.
I did. I finished it.
There's an artist right there. Okay, this guy, I mean, he does things I have ADD and ADHD. There's not enough drugs in the world to make me be able to do that. Okay, but I'm going to show you this. Like, for instance, you can see this beautiful building right here. Okay, I mean, windows and doors and all. That's what comes out of the machine. Okay, so whatever does this cost is the idea that, can you do this? Because I know I can't. So just look at all this. That's O gauge back there. Okay, look at the little parts. So Doug, tell us something about yourself other than the teaching part, but how did you get involved in this? And just tell us something about it.
My story is I was an Illinois Central modeler and realized modeling the steam era was either expensive steam locomotives or black Jeeps, and so I was looking for something a little different. Stumbled across the Illinois Terminal, Illinois Traction. They've just got a lot of unique equipment, and 3D printing was an easy way to model some of that stuff, and so that's where I've kind of journeyed to, is modeling the unique stuff that the Illinois Terminal had.
Just amazing quality here.
Well, thank you.
So let's just go with the smaller freight station that I showed.
Yeah.
3D print time is?
I actually use a company to print them for me. I don't print them myself. That's his kind of own hobby that I didn't want to get into, so I kind of subcontract that out.
Okay. And of course, not to pry, but what would somebody wants to do this, what would that cost them to do that?
Yeah.
And how do you get a hold of these people?
The kit for that is $50. I sell the 4 walls glued together. There's a chimney, and I've got templates for the roof. It's just Spanish tile that makes up the roof, and goes together really easy. So yeah.
How do you find people to print the stuff for you?
I had another guy that does this share this company with me, and yeah, just kind of word of mouth.
Okay. Okay, so in word of mouth, because we talked a little bit earlier about the advertising. Where are you advertising, and how does somebody get some of this stuff?
Yeah, my email is Forbes Train Models, FORBES TRAIN MODELS @gmail.com. Just email me and let me know you're interested.
Okay. And we're going to show you that I just showed you the card, and that's everything you need to know about this. What would a car cost?
I got cabooses that are like 40, 60 bucks. I've got cars that are 20, 30 bucks. So if you email me, I've got an order sheet.
There you go.
I can send to you.
Okay. All right. Well, thank you so much for letting us come over and look at all this stuff, and I will definitely get on, and I'm sure that you'll probably hear something. So I hope you don't get 100 orders at one time.
That'd be great.
Yeah.
That'd be great.
So, all right. Well, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
And for Let's Learn Things, that's a wrap for today. Well, it was a interesting show in the beginning. It looked like, well, this is going to be a bust. And then at the very end, it was incredible. So we'll give you that report too. That'll be in the bottom here. You'll see that. But at the American Farm Heritage Museum, Dirk Reynolds reporting for Let's Learn Things.